What's up, everybody? It's your girl Lavina back with another cash stuffing video. I hope everyone's day is going well. Top of the week to everyone. Top of the week now. And we are going to be strong this upcoming week. And we're going to persevere this upcoming week. And we're going to save at least $1 this upcoming week, okay? Whatever you can save, but I would like for you to save at least $1. If you can, just tuck it away. Just tuck it on over there in the corner, okay, you guys? So today we are going to be cash stuffing's wheel binder, you guys. And I'm excited to do it. I'm happy he's on board. He's doing well. We both are just trying to be more consistent with our cash stuffing. And it really helps. In the way this world is going, I don't know if all these glitches and everything, it's good to have some cash on hand, okay? I'm just saying, it's good to have cash on hand. Everyone know a bank account is important as well, but it's also just as important, in my opinion, to have some cash that you can grab when you need it in case of an emergency, okay? All right, you guys, let's get to it. Today we will be cash stuffing 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Let's get us a thumbnail in here, you guys, because we're going to be working out of this. So there we go. I don't know if that's going to be the thumbnail, but let's see. Okay. All right, let's separate this moolah. I don't know what the thumbnail gonna be, honey. But I'm trying to work on my thumbnail. So this is Will's binder. Yeah, I've been studying on that StreamYard app. So I will be able to go live with y'all too. And I was also thinking about making some videos where I react also to other content creators who do what we do in some kind of way. I'm trying to see, like, I'm sure, I don't know, how would I do that, you know? How would I actually react to other content creators doing cash stuffing? So I don't know, but, or I might just react to like finance tips or something something funny that got to do with what we do. Something financing, mom life, I don't know. It's just some ideas I'm playing with, you guys. All right, so the first thing we will be doing is, let me move this coin jar. The first thing we'll be doing is working out of my girl TL Gage Savings Challenge book. It's called Still Telling Our Money Where to Go, Mattress Money Savings Challenges. So we will be working out of that. That's what me and him both is working on to, you know, for our emergency fund. This is mine. So, let's see, where is his? Wait a minute. Hold on, y'all. Which one did I start for him? Here we go. Oh, it's the rainy day. Here it is. Okay, and he is doing the rainy day savings challenge. Okay. And we are going to be putting $20 into his savings challenge. Let's get that out before we do the coloring. 5, 10, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Everybody getting ready for the week? Everybody ready? Did y'all get enough rest over the weekend? I'm like, for me, y'all, I'm like a robot with it now. I'm just like a robot. I shoot up. One day I won't have to shoot out the bed. Like, gotta go get some money somehow. Honey, gotta get to moving my feet. That's crazy, though. I jump up out the bed, honey, like, huh, I'm still alive. Let me go make some money. I went out for a couple of hours this morning. Yep, I think that's pretty. That's kind of pretty. I'm going to start switching up the colors or whatever. I'm going to start switching them up, though. So, now that we have this out the way, set this over here, and let's get back to the shmoney. All right, so we're going to be adding this 20. So now he has 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. A little shmoney for Mr. Will. I still got to update my trackers too, you guys. So Jayden and Will and Lorenzo and them, they gone. And Daquan, they all went to go get haircuts. So everybody can be ready for the upcoming week. His savings is going to get 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now he has 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. In his savings. Next, we have transportation. Trying to get that built up. We're going to put $5 in here. So now it has 25 for transportation. Okay, and health will also be getting $5. So now health has 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, $19. It's Sunday. Y'all cooking something good? I've been on this diet, y'all, because I be having like digestive issues, stomach issues and stuff. So I've been on this diet. It's getting better. I got some medicine I've been taking too and changing my diet, y'all. So digestive issues, I don't know, like it's the food, it's the different stuff people, they putting in this food. Because back in the day, I can drink milk and everything. I can't even really handle, it's like I became lactose intolerant. And it's just like, I need one of those tests that tell you like what foods you shouldn't be eating and stuff. It ain't like it was back in the day, y'all. Birthday not getting nothing. Vacation not getting nothing either. But Christmas gonna get this last 5. It's different than it was back in the day, you know. That's because I believe all these chemicals and all this stuff in the food. Like we used to can eat milk and cereal, like, you know, it's just different. Y'all know what I mean. So Christmas now has 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 as well. Yeah, so now I'm just really focusing on just eating better, eating more whole foods, eating healthy. I actually like almond milk, though. It's okay. I like it. I mean, I like it. I can drink that for the rest of my life. I don't mind. But my ice cream, that's the thing, y'all. Like, your girl love ice cream. I love ice cream. I love Haagen-Dazs. Whew. I'm just thinking of a big pint of strawberry Haagen-Dazs ice cream. And if it's really frozen super hard, put it in the microwave for like 15 seconds and just get a little melty, a little soupy, like a little bit just around the edges. I'm on my fat girl-ish. Okay, y'all, but listen, I want to tell y'all to be encouraged this week ahead. Y'all know we walking with a purpose through this life. You know, we got goals. We trying to get to certain, we trying to get places in life. So in order to do that, y'all know we got to continue to be walking in our excellence. You know, whatever you are, be excellent in your walk doing it, okay? That's what I'm trying to do. You know, I'm a foundational Black American, so I'm striving towards Black excellence. For my lighter colored sisters and brothers, y'all walking y'all excellence too. We all walking in our excellence as human beings. That's what we all striving to do. And you know, we're not gonna let the worries of this world get to us, honey. Because for me, like, this economy so bad to me, well, it could be worse. Like people tell me, I could be somewhere else in another country. But since I'm here, I still see the effects of this economy on my wallet, okay, in my household, with me and my husband, those dinner table conversations we have as, you know, people, wherever you are, you know, it affects you. So I'm hoping for better days for all of us. You know, until then, you know, we just got to keep pressing forward, doing all we can when we can. Okay, you guys? So enough of hearing me go on and on. I just want to tell y'all thank y'all, and I appreciate all y'all do for me. Okay? And shout out to my girl. I don't have my, shout out to my girl. What is her name? I gotta get it. I'm gonna link it in the video because I don't see it. I don't see it, and I don't remember. Shout out to the blessing you bestowed upon me and my family last night. I really appreciate you, sister. All right, you guys. So until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.